Woocommerce. This is a open source e-commerce platform that is built on WordPress, completely free unless you want some pro options. Click Add New to get started and search in the keyword field. And there is the world's most popular open source e-commerce solution. Click Install and activate. Since we've installed WordFence to protect our website, there is a message that it appears after we have installed WooCommerce. And this is a very important security message because I would have had you guys set up with a website that would have been spammed. So it says that the WordFence login security WooCommerce integration is not currently enabled. Without this feature, WooCommerce forms will not support all functionality provided by WordFence login security, including CAPTCHA for the login page and user registration. So when we click on Manage Settings, we end up here. So what we're going to need to do next is enter in a reCAPTCHA. This is very, very important. In order to do this, we need to go to Google. Now, we're not going to show you how to do this here, but I will enter in my key once it is done. So there's a link that tells you exactly how to do this. So I'm not showing my keys on the screen, but they have been entered, and now all I need to do is enable. Click on Enable WooCommerce integration as well, and save all of these changes. One last step before we can start adding products and personalizing the website is to make our website available on Google or easier to find. And the best free plugin that we're going to be using for that is called Yoast. Yoast SEO. Let's install it and activate it. Now, we're not going to get into the video on how to edit your pages for SEO, but there's a lot of useful information out there. The main goal of this video was simply to show you that it didn't cost you more than $25 and you were up and running with a e-commerce website. So good luck with your project, and remember to reach out to us if you need anything. www.radiosolution.info. See you soon.